Hello, today I'm going to show you how to exactly enable Akismet plugin on your Hostinja related WordPress account, right? So when it comes to a website, to prevent spamming messages initially when you're a blogger, obviously lots of spamming messages will be sent to your particular website, like when you will be having no particular comments, and then they will be trying to spam by putting unusual comments in your site, which will boost you like you're getting a particular audience, and then you'll be thinking that you have a good reach, and that's where this plugin comes into use, and it will prevent those spamming messages by blocking them completely. And then you need to log in. You can use many different codes, which I will be giving in the link below, so that you could be choosing it, the particular host in your website. I'm not going to go in detail of it. Once you log in, then you'll be going to this particular site. Like that means you will be getting this particular view. When you will go to home, you will be getting these, and I have particular two websites under this particular host changer. And then if I go to the websites, I want to enable this particular Akismet plugin, anti-spamming plugin in this particular website. So I press manage, and then you will be redirected to this web page. And then when you will be redirected to this web page, go to the plugins and go to here, add new plugin, and over here you have to search Akismet anti-spam protection particular plugin, which is already over here because I've already searched it. So you can do that either. You'll be getting over here, and then press install now over there. And then after it gets installed, you need to activate it. Make sure you update this particular plugin if it is already installed on your Hostinger account. And then once you have activated it, go and press set up your account, and then get personal. And then here you will be wondering like, oh, what, you need to pay you have to pay 2k per year. But no, you need not pay, just decrease this to 0. But here I will tell you one particular trick to remember. Initially, when your blog has no particular audience, don't enable AdSense because you will be rejected. Rather than that, work on your website for 2 to 3 months. Until then, this website is completely useful. That's where people don't usually tell, right? So that's why here you need to select all these 3. Then only you will be authorized with the personal subscription, given a key, and then you can be entering over here to connect it with the website, right? So I've already entered this information over here. So you will be getting like this. You need to press your country, and your state, postal code, and all that. And then when you go to the payment method, hence you will be paying no particular amount, and there is no need to submit your billing details and all that. And then once you press complete checkout, it's going to load, and you will be almost redirected. And hence you can see here your particular key is being connected, and then you need to copy the particular key, and then you need to paste it over here, and then you need to connect. And now it is protecting your site from spam. And then this is the particular way you need to enable the plugin on your website, right? And sometimes here when you copy this particular key, you will be here, sometimes it shows yours it is like disabled. It shows like that it doesn't exist, or it is out of reach sometimes. And during that particular cases, you need to deactivate, uninstall, and then again install it. That's it. So here you can see, and then you need to go to the comments, show the number of approved comments beside each comment author. This is especially useful. And always remember, during spam filtering, always select the second option. Okay, you need not discard, you need to check before you need to discard. And then when it comes to the privacy, do not display any privacy notice, right? That is not good for your website. It will be showing to the audience that this particular website is not too much secure, right? So select the second option, then save changes. And then you need not upgrade, right? It's okay, non-commercial license, it's over. So this is how you need to enable your Akismet anti-spam plugin onto your website. So thank you everyone for watching this particular video. Hope you have all a very nice day. Take care. Bye bye.